Building a drainage ditch is a common homeowner project to reclaim yard space and improve safety, but you cannot simply dump dirt into the trenches. This will cause serious water problems. The ditch exists to manage water runoff, and filling it improperly blocks this critical path, causing water to pool in your yard or flood a neighbor's property. The correct method involves replacing the open ditch with an underground drainage system, typically a French drain. Before you start, you must check with your local authorities because you may need a permit for this kind of work. It is also absolutely critical to locate any underground utilities. Call 811 before you dig to have lines for gas, water, and electricity marked. This is a free service that prevents dangerous accidents. Once you have clearance, you can begin preparing the ditch by clearing out any debris, weeds, and loose soil. You might need to reshape the ditch slightly to ensure it has a consistent, gentle slope away from your house, with a slope of about 1% being ideal. The first step in building the drain is to line the trench with a high-quality, non-woven geotextile fabric, which lets water pass through but blocks soil and silt. Lay the fabric in the ditch, pressing it against the bottom and sides, leaving plenty of extra fabric on both sides to wrap over the top later. Next, add a 2-inch layer of clean drainage gravel, like number 57 stone, spreading it evenly along the bottom of the fabric-lined trench. Now, place your 4-inch perforated drain pipe on top of the gravel base, making sure the perforations, or holes, are facing down to allow rising groundwater to enter. After the pipe is in place, cover it completely with more drainage gravel, continuing to fill the ditch until you are about 4 to 6 inches from the ground's surface. Now, take the excess geotextile fabric and fold it over the top of the gravel layer, overlapping the edges to create a complete seal or burrito that protects your drain from getting clogged with dirt. With the drain system protected, you can add the final layers, starting with a thin layer of coarse sand over the fabric to help with drainage. Finally, fill the remaining space with good quality topsoil, rake it smooth to be level with the surrounding yard, and lightly compact it. Plant grass seed or lay sod to finish the project, and your ditch will be gone while the water is still managed effectively underground. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.